Storybook Moments, Children's Storybook Read-Alouds. Please give this video a like if you enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe for new stories. Thank you. Reading aloud to you, Splish, Splash, Spring by Jan Carr. Illustrated by Dorothy Donohue. Spring is sloppy, so rainy droppy. Stomp in puddles, splash about. Sun comes peeking, hide and seeking. Days are playful, spring's a sprout. Chit, chit, cheeping. Who's that peeping? Baby robins beg for bugs. Better dig one, get a big one. Grub up earthworms, slimy slugs. Hocus pocus, there's a crocus. Plucky petals, brave the chill. Frilly, silly, daffodilly, willy-nilly down the hill. Kites are swooping, loop-de-looping, snapping, flapping, look at me. Wind comes whipping, grip is slipping, tangle, dangle up a tree. Bows are bloomy, so perfumey. Thunder threatens skip, ski-doo. Race the raindrops, window pane drops. I picked posies. Just for you. The end. I hope you enjoyed this book. For more books read aloud, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a lovely day.